So in this video, we're going to look at how to load a roll of material into position 1 in your Canon Colorado M series machine. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure my green light is displayed on the back of the machine. That means that I can actually open the drawer and that there's no material in the machine itself. So I'm going to pull open the drawer like this, and then that's going to allow us to get to position 1 in our drawer. The next thing I'm going to do is going to get the roll of material, and I'm going to put this roll of material onto the back of the machine like this. Now it's front facing, so this is print side up, and it's going to be facing the printer like that, just like any normal conventional printer. The next thing I need to do is I need to lift up my cover in here. I've got a green tab here. I then need to lift up my roll here, and then I need to identify which side of the roll my clip is on. So the clip there is going to push in the spikes on the roll holder. Now all I need to do is I need to push this in, holding down the clip, and slide that into place. Now on the bar we have our measurements, and with this being a 1370 roll, I need to make sure that it is set at 1370 or 54 inch. And that's on both sides of the roll. I'm then going to pick up the roll, I'm going to drop it back into place, and then going to close my cover. Once I've done that, I then need to make sure that my clip is back down again as it is. And I need to make sure that I load this in nice and straight and nice and tight. So my roll is nice and straight on there, which is perfect. I'm then going to pull this back under itself, and then I'm going to move it up and push it up until it beeps. There's the beep, and you can see it's just in this track here. So this is what the material looks like. So it's now in position, ready to go. All I need to do now is close my cover back off. So now I've loaded the material at the back of the machine. I need to come back around to the front of the machine, and you see we've got the amber light for media. I'm going to click on that. It's then asking our media type, which I'm going to go for generic self-adhesive. Then I'm going to choose my media width. Now my media width is available because we have calibrated this material already, and I don't need to do anything else. I'm just going to press save. That now knows in roll 1 that we have our generic self-adhesive vinyl, and that is ready to go. So that's how we load a roll of material onto our Canon Colorado M series printer.